Today's courtroom drama was unlike anything we've seen so far. An outburst, a ban, secret jail calls, and a bombshell testimony involving bribery, hush money, and immunity. What really happened at the Intercontinental Hotel? We're breaking it all down. This morning's session opened with chaos, literally. Before the jury even entered the room, a woman in the audience, known informally by reporters as the MTA lady, erupted in a fit of yelling and cursing. She's been spotted before always wearing an MTA jacket, but this time her behavior crossed the line. 4 U.S. Marshals had to remove her. She reportedly yelled, "Use your gun against me," and was nearly tased. Now she's banned, not just from the courtroom, but possibly the entire courthouse. That wasn't the only controversy. Prosecutors also accused someone, posing as a reporter, of leaking the real name of a protected witness, Mia. Turns out someone live-streamed and used Mia's actual name, violating strict court orders. That person wasn't in court today, and if they return, they'll be banned as well. Then came Eddie Garcia, a former hotel security guard with a front-row seat to the March 5th, 2016 incident, the same night at the Intercontinental Hotel that sits at the center of this case. Just yesterday, he invoked his Fifth Amendment rights. But after being granted immunity, today he testified under oath, and what he revealed was explosive. At 24 years old, Eddie worked from 2 p.m. to 1:30 a.m. that night. But what followed was even more suspicious. He got a call, not from Diddy directly, but from Christina Courtroom, Diddy's chief of staff. She somehow had both his work and personal number. Eddie testified that Diddy initially offered $50,000 for the hotel surveillance video, but that figure doubled, $100,000, paid to keep the video out of the public eye. Bill Madano, director of security, $50,000. Henry Elias, hotel staff, $20,000. Eddie Garcia, $30,000. And what did Eddie do with his share? He bought a used car. But the price wasn't just money. He also signed an NDA, a strict one that barred him from ever speaking about the incident. Despite believing the video was buried forever, Eddie later saw it on CNN. Yes, the same footage prosecutors claim is key to proving bribery and obstruction of justice. This brings us to the heart of the RICO allegations. Was Diddy operating a criminal enterprise? Legal analysts weighed in live. Some believe the prosecution has yet to truly prove racketeering. Remember, RICO charges require showing a pattern of criminal activity, not just isolated events. As one analyst put it, abuse doesn't equal RICO. It must be an organized criminal enterprise. They say, follow the money. Who else got paid? Who was involved in covering up other crimes? Prosecutors say Christina Courtroom was a key player. But if she testifies, will she get immunity? Or will she plead the Fifth to avoid incriminating herself? Now let's get to your questions. And they're good ones. Q. Can Eddie be punished for lying before? A. Not anymore. He has immunity. But if he lies on the stand now, that's perjury. Q. Can someone be bribed if they're not a cop? A. Yes. If you're paid to destroy or hide evidence, that's illegal. Q. What if Diddy is acquitted federally? Can states still charge him? A. Possibly. But it depends on the statute of limitations and whether similar charges apply at the state level. This trial is a legal minefield, with NDAs, immunity deals, and explosive evidence at every turn. But one thing's clear. The prosecutors are trying to prove more than just bad behavior. They're trying to connect a web of money, loyalty, and silence and turn it into a criminal conspiracy. If you're following the Diddy trial, hit that subscribe button now. And comment below, do you think this is really RICO, or is the government overreaching? Thanks for watching. We'll be back with more courtroom breakdowns as the trial continues.